Hello guys, so I ordered one Callus remover and this one is from AGARO. I got it from Nightcar. The price actually is, as you all can see, it is somewhere around 1700, but I got it for 1200 I guess. So now let's unbox this. So now let's see what's in the box. We have one warranty card, cool, then one manual how to use it. So basically what all the kit contains, like the protective cover, unique rollers, etc., and actually how to use it. So basically this is a manual how to use. Apart from this, we are having the main Callus remover over here. Now let's see how it is. Okay, so this is our actual product, which comes with the grinding head. This is the cover for it. This is the on and off button, and these are the rollers, like if you want for hard grinding. I guess this is for the medium grinding. And okay, cool, we got a pouch where we can store it, and yeah, the charger cable along with a small cute brush for filling. So that's all guys. So let me know how you felt about this in the comment section below. Bye bye.